In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. If your search bar seems to be missing when you open a new tab in Chrome, don't worry. In many cases, this happens because of the current search engine setting, and it's usually very quick to fix. I'm going to walk you through the process slowly, so it's easy to follow. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and you're on any regular Chrome window. You don't need to be on a specific website for this, since we'll be changing a browser setting directly. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access different browser options and settings. If you've never used this menu before, this is where many of Chrome's controls are located. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page in a new tab. You may see a list of categories on the left-hand side, depending on your version of Chrome, and that's where we'll find the option we need. Next, click Search Engine. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses for searches, and can also affect what appears when you open a new tab. If the search box is missing, changing this setting can often bring it back. In the search engine section, look for the option to change the current search engine. Click Change, then select a different search engine from the available list. Choose one of the listed options and confirm the change if needed. This refreshes how Chrome handles searches and can restore the search bar on the new tab page. After that, open a new tab and check the result. You should now see the search engine appear again, along with the search bar. If it doesn't show up immediately, try closing the tab and opening another new one. In some cases, restarting Chrome can also help apply the change properly. This is a simple fix, but it works well when the issue is caused by a search engine setting. Just remember that Chrome's appearance can vary slightly depending on updates or extensions, so the menus may look a little different on your screen. Still, the general process stays the same. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Settings, go to Search Engine, and switch to a different option. And that's it. You should now have the search bar back in Google Chrome,